10 luxurious motorhomes that will blow your mind. Welcome to our countdown of 10 luxurious motorhomes that will absolutely blow your mind. From cutting-edge designs to opulent interiors, these motorhomes redefine what it means to travel in style. Get ready to be amazed as we take you on a journey through some of the most extravagant mobile homes on the planet. Featherlight Ventare Platinum Plus. Kicking off our list is the Featherlight Ventare Platinum Plus, a motorhome that truly epitomizes luxury on the road. Featherlight has outdone itself with this masterpiece, offering a sleek exterior that commands attention wherever it goes. Step inside and you'll be greeted by custom-built Italian leather sofas, a state-of-the-art entertainment center, and handmade cabinetry that adds a touch of elegance to every corner. The kitchen is nothing short of a culinary haven, boasting granite countertops and top-of-the-line appliances. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or preparing a gourmet meal, this kitchen has everything you need. The master suite is equally impressive, featuring a king-sized bed and a lavish ensuite bath. And let's not forget the cockpit, which is equipped with touch-screen controls, GPS navigation, and luxury amenities that make driving this motorhome a breeze. Newell Coach P50. Next on our list is the Newell Coach P50, a luxurious motorhome that celebrates the 50th anniversary of the company in style. The exterior of the P50 is a visual delight, with smooth contours and custom paint schemes that make it stand out on the highways. Inside, the spacious living area is furnished with handcrafted furniture, an entertainment center, and ambient lighting that creates an environment akin to a high-end home. The kitchen is a chef's paradise, complete with quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, and top-tier appliances. The master suite is designed for ultimate comfort, offering a king-sized bed, ample storage, and a private entertainment system. Whether you're driving or relaxing, the advanced technology and safety features of the P50 ensure a smooth and secure journey. Prevost H3i45 VIP. The Prevost H345 VIP is a true masterpiece of mobility, space, and luxury. With its sleek design and custom paint finish, this motorhome leaves a lasting impression wherever it goes. Inside, the H345 VIP boasts the highest deck and spacious underfloor storage, creating a comfortable and expansive living environment. The living area features deluxe sofas, an entertainment system, and ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood. The kitchen is a blend of style and functionality, equipped with luxury appliances and stylish countertops. When it's time to rest, the bedroom offers a serene retreat with a king-size bed and advanced technology that ensures your comfort. And with the H345 VIP's advanced safety features, driving this motor home is both effortless and secure. Mare Mobile Palazzo Superior. The Mare Mobile Palazzo Superior is the epitome of luxury on wheels, and it's easy to see why. Priced around $3 million, this motorhome is arguably the most expensive in the world. Its aerodynamic body is inspired by race cars and luxury yachts, exuding a premium appeal that's hard to ignore. Step inside and you'll be surrounded by hand-cut wooden veneers, polished flooring, and top-grade leather that mirrors the elegance of a luxury hotel suite. The Palazzo Superior is equipped with a sky lounge, a state-of-the-art kitchen, and an advanced cockpit that makes driving this mobile palace a breeze. Sustainability is also a key feature, with solar panels and a high-performance battery reducing reliance on fuel. For those who demand the best, the Palazzo Superior delivers in every way possible. Liberty Coach Fairfield Edition. Next on our list is the Liberty Coach Fairfield Edition, a motorhome that redefines luxury travel. The living area is adorned with handcrafted furniture, custom finishes, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system, offering a luxurious retreat on the road. The kitchen is a chef's paradise, with quartz countertops, high-end appliances, and ample storage space. Whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting a dinner party, this kitchen has everything you need. The bedroom suite offers a king-sized bed, a walk-in wardrobe, and a lavish ensuite bathroom, ensuring a restful retreat after a long day on the road. With advanced technology and safety features, driving the Fairfield Edition is both luxurious and secure, making it the perfect choice for those who want to travel in style. Concord Centurion 1200. Now, let's talk about the Concord Centurion 1200, a motorhome that embodies luxury from top to bottom. Manufactured by Concord, a German brand renowned for crafting high-end caravans, the Centurion 1200 is built on a Mercedes Actros truck chassis, which ensures both reliability and an unparalleled driving experience. The exterior of this motorhome is sleek and sophisticated, but it's the interior that truly steals the show. Inside, you'll find a spacious and well-designed living area that radiates harmony thanks to its accentuated design and sensual style elements. The creative furniture layout not only adds to the aesthetics, but also optimizes space, making the cabin feel even more expansive. Newmar King Air. Next, we have the Newmar King Air, a motorhome that stands out as the true king of the road. Built on a Spartan K3 chassis, the King Air is designed for those who demand the best in both comfort and technology. The exterior features an aerodynamic profile with custom tinted windows and stainless steel trim, giving it a regal presence. Step inside and you'll be greeted by an interior that boasts a cathedral ceiling, heated porcelain tiles, and a blend of top-tier amenities that make it feel more like a luxury home than an RV. The attention to detail is impeccable, with every corner of the motorhome exuding sophistication. The King Air is equipped with advanced technology, including a state-of-the-art entertainment system, a spacious master suite with a king-size bed, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom. With a powerful diesel engine and a range of safety features, the Newmar King Air ensures a smooth and secure journey, no matter where you're headed. Maverick Vinales MV12. If you're looking for a motorhome that looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie, then the Maverick Vinales MV12 is the one for you. When parked, this massive vehicle resembles a transformer, with a roof that elevates to create overhead space for a second floor. Inside, the Maverick Vinales MV12 feels like a luxury condo. The master bedroom is a spacious retreat complete with a giant bed, a dresser, a closet, and a television. There's also a bathroom with a luxury shower, a living room with 2 TVs, and even a children's room with twin beds. And if that wasn't enough, the Maverick can even be fitted with a balcony, offering a unique travel experience. This motorhome is the epitome of innovation and luxury, perfect for those who want to travel in style without sacrificing comfort. RC Motorhomes RC12M. Moving on, we have the RC12M by RC Motorhomes, a British brand known for its exceptional engineering and attention to detail. The RC12M is the pinnacle of their craftsmanship, offering a luxurious and spacious interior that's perfect for those who want the best of both style and functionality. The living area is designed with a focus on comfort and convenience, featuring plush seating, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and a massive glass sunroof that can tilt or slide open to bring the outdoors inside. The kitchen is centrally located and includes a slide-out section that provides ample space for cooking and entertaining. It's equipped with high-end fixtures, a boiling and cold water tap, an induction hob, a full oven, a dishwasher, and a large fridge freezer. The RC12M also comes with a rear garage spacious enough to hold a sports car, making it the perfect motorhome for those who love to travel in style. Integra Cornerstone 2024. Last but certainly not least, we have the Integra Cornerstone 2024, a motorhome that combines style, craftsmanship, and value. Built on a powerful Spartan K3 chassis, the Cornerstone is known for its smooth ride and superior handling, making it a favorite among luxury travelers. Inside, the Cornerstone features a spacious kitchen that rivals those found in traditional homes, complete with high-end appliances, ample storage, and elegant countertops. The living area is equally luxurious, with handcrafted furniture, a top-notch entertainment system, and ambient lighting that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Thank you for joining us on this whirlwind tour of luxurious motorhomes. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Remember, the road to luxury is just a click away. Until next time, happy travels.